What does a profitable and scalable SEO process look like? I'd say plan, write, optimize. Here's how Surfer can help your workflow go from so-so to world-class in 3 simple steps. Plan. Use Surfer's keyword research tool to get hundreds of topic clusters containing dozens of semantically related keywords. You can sort these clusters based on search intent, monthly search volume, and difficulty.
Each topic cluster provided is a potential new article, and since they're all connected and related to your broad keyword, you're simultaneously building your topical authority, which signals to Google that your content deserves to be front and center because you've approached the subject from all possible angles. Now, we write. Welcome to the best-kept secret in the SEO industry, Surfer's Content Editor. Agencies, SEOs, and content writers all over the world rely on Surfer's Content Editor to get real-time feedback on key elements such as NLP terms and expressions, word count, questions to answer, headings, images, and paragraphs.
They trust Surfer's analyses because they're all backed by advanced algorithms supported by natural language processing. NLP makes it easier for search engines to understand the context or intent of your page or post. All of these suggestions are based on data gathered from relevant competitors, the targeted keyword, and an in-depth analysis of Google SERP. It's precise and up-to-date. No more guessing.
To start writing an article, navigate to the Content Editor from one of the topic clusters generated in the Keyword Research tool. Alternatively, you can fetch a URL and optimize the previously published post, or input your keywords into the box to create a fresh new article. Then, choose the country you'd like to rank in, or the city if your focus is local. Lastly, hit Create Content Editor and experience firsthand how Surfer helps writers do what they do best. Write. Inside the editor, you can browse suggestions for headings in Surfer's Outline Builder. This feature also comes in handy if you want to save time preparing briefs for your writers or if you simply need some inspiration as to how to best structure your content. You can share Content Editor right away via native shareable link or integrate it with Google Docs, WordPress, or Jasper. Surfer works where you work, making writing not just faster and more precise, but also more engaging and interactive. There are one-touch commands to add images, block quotes, headings, or lists. Just type \. You can highlight the terms you've optimized or have yet to optimize to keep track of your progress. There are dozens of ways to make your content editor experience personalized to your needs and flow.
Finally, let's optimize. Surfer's unique and always personalized metric, Content Score, helps you optimize your post for great performance in search engines. It takes into account hundreds of factors.
To make things even easier, Surfer's auto-suggestions help you follow the customized guidelines even faster. Once your content is written, you can add images manually or via Pixabay.
Surfer's Content Editor, Content Score, suggestions, and metrics are there to guide you through the on-page SEO process while you focus on writing amazing content.